Hello, I'm Glenn Fleischman, a journalist and printing historian, and the creator of the Tiny Type Museum and Time Capsule. I want to preserve and expand the knowledge of and access to a piece of typographic and typefounding history, the Monotype Electro Display Matrix, a kind of mold for casting metal type, by creating an accurate 3D model that will be broadly distributed. The Electro Display Matrix was a key part of producing metal type in the 20th century, from about 14 to 36 points for hand typesetting. This kind of matrix is in heavy use at the remaining small commercial and personal type foundries operating around the world, but new matrices can only be made in extremely limited quantities. Existing ones in good condition are in active use. This campaign funds creating a model that, 6 months after backers receive the digital file, will be released under a Creative Commons attribution license, allowing it to be used at no cost for any purpose. Your support underwrites that release. Backers at higher tiers will receive a 3D printed matrix from the final design. The material will be at least in the plastic-like PLA, but I hope the campaign's scale and overall cost will allow it to be 3D printed in metal. At higher tiers, you can also receive an actual historic Monotype Electro Display Matrix that is suitable for study, but can no longer be used to cast type effectively. At the highest tier, you'll receive 2 of the 3D printed matrices and 2 historic electro matrices, and also a Monotype Supercaster Matrix, a larger mold form coated in a nickel chromium alloy. Help preserve the past by studying it today and giving it an eternal digital future by backing this campaign. Thanks for your support.